Hello everyone, welcome back to my digital marketing YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to create search campaign. In my last video I have explained that how to create Google Ads account. So there is a hierarchy. First we create Google Ads account, then under Google Ads account we create campaigns, then we create ad groups, we create keywords, ads and other things. So now we will start with campaign creation, specifically search campaign creation. So let's move. In my last video I explained if you are new to Google Ads, you should choose this option. You should choose among from these goals because it is quite automated and it helps you to create a new campaign if you are novice. But if you want to switch to expert mode and want to jump directly to create ads and campaigns, then you can switch to expert mode. Then here we can see there are multiple goals which are available, among which we can select our goal specific and related to our website. So first goal is sales. To drive sales online or in app or by phone or in our stores, we select sales goal, like in e-commerce or by app in our phones. So this is the goal for sales. In leads are the information which we capture from the user. Let's say on a property website someone visits some website related to property and they ask for their information, let's say magic bricks. Now we click on their ads and then here they ask for the information, name, mobile and email address. So these are the lead generation goals. In these goals a user submitted their queries, their phone number, email address and their queries to the advertiser. So these are the goals which are leads. Then website traffic, in which user simply comes to our website for their services and orders. Now there is one more goal, product and brand consideration, which is to encourage people to explore your products or services. Then there is a brand awareness and reach, app promotion and create a campaign without a goal. First we will create a campaign without a goal, and in another video or upcoming videos I will explain different goals. Now I am selecting this one. Then we come to select a campaign type. Though there are several campaign types like search, display, video, app, smart, shopping, etc., but still first we start with search campaign because we are beginning our digital marketing and it is very simple to start with search campaign. Hence we will start search. I have selected search. Now select the results you want from this campaign. So if we want phone calls, so the example which I have taken today, it is from my client Lakshya Power Yoga. In this case I can take calls as a goal and website traffic as a goal. Both will work, but right now to explain I will take an example to website visits. So I will focus that user should visit my this website more and more. This would be the main goal of my this campaign. Otherwise if I want phone calls or app downloads, then I will take app downloads or phone calls. But right now I am not selecting any one of them because I want website visits. Then I will place my URL here in website visits and continue. So now it's asking for campaign name, networks and other settings. As I told you earlier that there is a hierarchy. First we create Google Ads account, then campaign, then ad group, and then keywords, ads, and other settings. So now we are on second step to create campaigns, and we provide campaign name. Then we create ad group and provide ad group name. Then again we provide keywords, ads, and other settings. So now we are on second step to provide campaign name. So it should be in some logic, like it's a yoga campaign. So I will create a name yoga and meditation. Right. So now we will proceed. Here it is asking search network, display network. So right now we will skip these steps. We will not include search partners and display network. Later on I will explain it to you in my other videos what are these settings, but now simply we will not go with these settings. We will select only search network, and we will deselect these options. And now we will go to location. Which location we want to target? Let's say I want to target whole India, but right now as we don't provide services, my client is a small client to provide services in smaller area, specific area for yoga classes. Then obviously he don't want to show his ads in whole India. In that case, what I will do, I will enter a location, or in advanced search I will enter that location and select radius targeting. Like they provide services in Paschim Vihar of Delhi. So here I can see radius. I will select radius and Paschim Vihar. And here I will select the area of the radius I want to cover. As client told me to select 5 kilometer, then I will select 5 kilometer of the radius. Here we will make it 5 and then save. Here we can see on my right hand side that Paschim Vihar, in how many areas it will show my ads. So these are the areas which will be covered in my ads. We will save it and proceed. We can leave all other settings and option right now because we are in the beginning phase to create a search campaign. And if you will go into other settings and try to learn other settings as well in a single go, it will be quite confusing for you. So it is very easy to start with simple options in the starting. Now it is asking for budget. We will give a simple budget of $200. Now what do you want to focus on? Obviously we want to focus on clicks right now. We want more clicks on our ads and on website. So now it is asking maximum CPC bid. So maximum CPC bid is client willing to spend is 10 rupees. So here we will set a maximum CPC, that means cost per click. You have to learn these terminologies and abbreviations as well. Like in digital marketing, CPC is cost per click bid limit. We will provide 10 rupees. That means maximum CPC bid limit means whenever an advertiser provide a CPC of rupees 10 or something, then if a user click on our ads, Google will deduct maximum 10 rupees from our campaign budget, not more than 10. Our ad will be shown on the basis of competition. So we provide here maximum CPC bid limit of 10 rupees, and the ad and the Google will not spend more than 10 rupees. Now we will proceed with other options. So here is a very good part, that is ad extensions, which is very popular, and so many people ask questions in the interviews related to ad extensions. Right now we will skip this step because I will create a whole new video and a proper complete session about ad extensions, because it is very important part of the Google search campaigns. Then I will click on save and continue. Now, as I told you in this diagram, that first we create Google Ads account, then campaign, now ad group. So now we are on the third step to create ad group, and it is asking for ad group name. Let's say client is providing only yoga classes for women's. Yoga classes for women's. So I am creating this ad group only for women's. Now we will enter the keywords. So keyword is also a very important terminology of Google Ads and other digital marketing platforms. Let's say I want to show my ads to yoga classes in Paschim Vihar. I want to show my ads to the people who are searching for yoga classes in Paschim Vihar, and yoga classes and meditation classes also. So let's leave meditation classes because we are only providing classes to women's for yoga only. So yoga trainers near me. Let's say we take 3 keywords right now and proceed with it. So these are the things which user search and our ad will be shown to them. So keywords are the main thing of any campaign. Whenever a user search in the search engine and his query is linked with our keywords, then only our ad will be shown. Otherwise, if our keywords are not relevant to the search query of the users, then my ad will not be shown. So now we will be adding keywords and proceed. Save and continue. Here is the next step, which is the 4th step in the hierarchy to create ads. Earlier we create keywords, now we will create ads. So now while we are creating ads, I have already created an ad for this campaign. So let's quickly copy and paste. In next sessions or videos, I will tell you how to create a good ad. Now I will quickly copy and paste. First is headline, in which the limit is 30 and our headline is of 29 characters. So it's okay, it is not exceeding the limit. We have to keep in mind while creating the ads that it should not exceed the limit provided by Google. Otherwise we will not be able to create the ads. Now headline 2, headline 3 as well. There are 3 headlines and 2 descriptions. So now next is description. Description 1 and description 2. So here is the description 1, description 2, headline 1, headline 2 and headline 3. So now as I have not created headline 3, I will copy and paste the same headline, or to just quickly create the campaign. Otherwise these headlines should be unique. Now after creating the ad, we will proceed. So now we have to mention path 1 and path 2 as well. It is not mandatory, but it is good to utilize your maximum space. Whenever you create any ad or something, we try to occupy maximum space in the ad because it is effective and eye-catchy. So these are my path in which character limit is 15 and 15, and our path 1 and path 2 are taking only 10 characters. That's okay. We will proceed with save and continue. Now it's creating the campaign. So now it is asking for the billing, but as I have not set up billing in this campaign, because it is only a demo campaign to explain or to tell people how to create new things, so I have not set up any billing in this account. If you will set up the billing in the first place while creating the account, then it will directly create your campaign and you don't have to follow any other step. I hope you liked the video and understood the things which I have tried to tell you. However, if you face any issue or doubt, you can write it in the comment box. I will try to resolve your query. Thank you. Thank you for watching. This was all from my side. I hope you liked the video and it was worth giving your time to this video and to this channel. Please hit a like button if you like this video and find this information good for yourself. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.